So the first thing we're going to look at is the impact gate when using the putt plate. Now we've all seen Tiger's famous drill with a tee peg at the toe and the heel of the putter, making sure it's passing through the gate correctly. This allows you to do a very similar thing indoors. So what we're going to do to start with is we're going to take our setup and we're going to just hit a couple of practice putts without a ball, making sure that we're passing through the gate nice and consistently. From there, once you've mastered that, we're going to go to the right hand only. Now this improves your face control, so getting it able to pass through these gates nice and consistently will allow you the best chance to square the face as often as possible. I've missed a bit there. We can cut that in, can't we?
Yeah.
From there, we're going to add a ball in, and we're now going to hit a putt with both hands on. We're going to get used to the feeling of setting consistently with the mirror bar and the strike bridge, and allowing the putter head to pass through the tees. An extension of this then is we're going to do it with the right hand only. Now this isn't all about holding the putt, it's more about feeling control over the face. So we want the hand away, we're going to hit with right hand putts only, and once again we're going to pass it through the tees. The more that go in the centre of the cup, the better. But like I say, this is more about the feeling of gaining consistency with the rotation of the face. So the next addition that we're going to add to the putt plate is now the start line gate. Now we've done this with other pieces of equipment in the past, but I love that the Fatplate integrates this into what it does. It has two shorter stub tees that allow you to make sure the putter passes over it nicely, and it shouldn't get too much in the way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our posture, checking it in the mirror bar to make sure your eyes are right and your face is square, and then we're just going to hit a putt, making sure it goes through those gates. So the next thing I want to talk about with the putt plate is the ability to set your own arc when practicing. Now what I'd suggest is make a note of which of the holes you use for the stub tees so you can consistently set up. But what I like is that this is going to train your consistent stroke on your backstroke and your through stroke to make sure that you've got the desired arc you want. Now this allows it when we set up with the mirror bar to ensure our posture is correct and the stroke is consistent. It gives us a real good chance of holding putts. As an additional challenge, you can add the short sub tees into the ball gate again to once then make sure that you've got a really consistent stroke and a really consistent start line whilst maintaining a consistent posture. I love this because it allows you to do so much whilst you're at home. These tees don't dig in the carpet, so they're great for practicing absolutely anywhere. You can practice it in the living room, on the landing, or even on the putting green if you want to. But that's what this gives you the freedom to do, is practice absolutely anywhere. So now we've worked through the Fatplate Puttplate, just want to say go and check them out. It's at Fatplate Golf across all social media channels. Get in touch with the guys because it's a product that's really, really worth trying. Like I say, it helped me out through lockdown and I'm sure it'll help you out.